Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
National Vice President of the National People's Party uba Prestone Tsong ubulong ru sembut Menteri Rangba Jong Bajalla hakasngi balang kashpau tarik unailar arajar arpuar ulakop baka NPP kanya khunbet Marwei haka election kaban salong bad ulakop ru ban Thaw yak Sorkar House nam arajar arpulai kani kejingkop jong uba Prestone kalong hadian baka BJP kalapan pau bakan om mitrai langru bad ke NPP House nam arajar arpulai Hakajing kran begilat patai kubur uloong makani keju kejingkran kalami amtang naga BJP dan rewat naga UDP bat naki wegi sengsan partai bakumjuru nagi tu ki bakwa menyekun ke election house nam araja arpulai hala kejong galinti uba Prestone leitu bakajing temu juga NPP kalong ke besai bat kanyalam hi ya Sorkar house nam araja arpulai.
See, right now in this coming election we don't have any pre-understanding with anybody. We stand on our own as NPP. I think UDP also, they came out in the statement that they stand on their own. BJP also, they stand on their own. And other parties also, I think they'll stand on their own. So there is no question of pre-understanding or pre-alliance. We don't have anything. So let us cross the bridge. After the election, once the counting takes place, so let us see. Our intention is very clear. We will form the government on our own immediately after the general election is over. We will form the government on our own.